Alright, this is where we're at so far. Everything's bright. We got some wiring to do. Not me, but someone's gonna have fun. This is the previous owner. I don't know if you can see that. I'll just get closer. This place has got knob and tube mixed in with like newer wiring. It's a freaking mess. But look, I hate knob and tube because there's no ground wire. So we're gonna have to fix that, and there's a light supposed to go out here. So that's not my, forte. So yeah, but it's looking good. I've got to do some more work out here. We got to put a door in. We got to put a new screen door. We got to paint this, clean all the windows. So we still got a couple weeks worth of work. Let's get out here though. I'll show you down here. Turn the light on. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. Sump pump. I come down here the other morning. The bucket was completely full, but it was unplugged. And this is what I don't get. Some people just should not touch things. They got this extension cord. It's a regular home, extension cord. It should not be used like this. They got it wired in to another extension cord going into a junction box. And then look at that mess. A mess. And then they got commercial wire in here. Look, see this? Someone did a real number on this place. Bad. So, yeah. What you think? What your experiences are if running into things like this later.